Guys, so I got some really pretty pink leather in. It's fairly soft, so it's going to make a perfect slouchy tote. And I'm just going to do my Barbie leather bag. And we'll just make one. What do you think? I don't even think it needs to be skived. I'll have to determine that here in just a minute. So I'm going to make it, let's see. Okay. And it has some blemishes. This was kind of a remnant at Tandy. So I'm not even going to worry about what it looks on the other side. You know, there's blemishes on leather, and that's just par for the course. So I'm just going to make it how it comes out, and that'll be good. It's a really gorgeous color of pink, really. So I really like it. Might be mine. Yeah. No. Okay. Oh my gosh. See, look how pretty that is. It has a few blemishes, but nothing major. All right, so there's one. And I need to cut another one for the front. Let me do it over here. I'll do it right here. You know, the Barbie leather pattern is a free pattern. I am getting ready to release it as a paid pattern, but I'm going to make some changes to it so it's a real pattern, if you know what I mean. Yeah. So, let me get rid of some of that. Okay. What am I doing here? Let's see. Make it a full pattern, I guess is what I should say. It's going to be a very simple tote leather bag that really anybody will be able to make with whether you have a skiver or not. Okay, there we go. 2 of those, and then how long is this? Can I make my handles out of this? I think I can. This is shoulder. I want shoulder straps. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna make it just a hair longer. So let's go up and cut this off. There we go. Perfect. And I'm going to make my handles 3/4 inch. No, I'll make them an inch. Let's just make them an inch. So I'm going to cut 2 of them at one time. All the way down. Okay. See, this one has a blemish. It's on the handle. I don't really care. You know, that's what leathers are for. They're never perfect unless they really manipulate them. All right, let's cut this in two. So I have two handles. Let's just get this one here too while we're at it. Perfect. Okay, two handles. All right, so I have a front, a back, two handles, and then I'm going to make a pocket in the front. Let me see if I can use one of these pieces. Can I use this for a foam pocket? Let's see how wide it is. I can. Let's do it. Oh, there goes my leather. I could hear it sliding. Okay. So that is going to be a pocket on the front. And let's do another pocket on the back. Let me go grab my leather. It fell on the floor. It was a half a hide. I'm tempted to order another one because it was pretty cheap. It's a remnant and it has issues, so that's okay. Let me put this up. And I'm going to do my other ruler. We'll do it here. Let's see. Yeah, and what was the size of this one? Okay. Let's see. Can I do it here? Yeah. No. Let's do it here. So, again, this pattern, I'm not really even following the pattern. So just if you need measurements to follow, there are measurements in the Barbie leather bag. And it's free. It's on my website. Right now it's free. So if you want to get a free pattern, go for it. I'm kind of modifying this one a little. And I'm going to make it... Let's see. Yeah, let's do this. Yeah. I might actually do this inside one lengthwise. All right, so that's an exterior, that's an interior. I think I'm going to make a kind of a, no, I can't do that. I'm not going to, I didn't intend to line this, but maybe I will. See, it's got a big hole right here. Can you see the hole? that's okay. You know, I can work around that. How about we make a, this is such a gorgeous pink. There's a tiny little hole there. Should I make a mega accordion out of it? Why not? Let's do it. We'll just do it right here. It's an absolutely gorgeous pink. Okay. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. It's like a, oh, that's actually a perfect piece. Okay. I just need to cut a bottom to the bag. I just was thinking. Okay. There is a mega accordion. So I need a bottom. Let's cut a bottom. And I'm going to make it a 6-inch bottom. Oh, and I need sides. I need bottom and sides. Okay. I mean, I'm going to cut this piece 6 inches, but so it'll end up being 5, which is a good size tote. Okay, there's a bottom. Now, let me see. Okay. So I need 2 sides. Here's one. Okay, I need one more. Let's do it right here. This is kind of a dusty rose pink. It's very pretty. All right, I think I have everything except for the other side of the accordion. And I think what I'm going to do is do black. And I'm going to do some of my sticky black. My self-adhesive, sticky. It's vinyl, but that's okay. If I can find what I've done with it. It's over here somewhere, you guys. Let me see. Here it is. This is actually leather. I said it was vinyl. It's not. The black is actually leather. So is this wide enough? It is. Perfect. Okay. This is just from Amazon. All it is it's what people use to repair things. But I use it for, and so does my friend Holly, to line bags. It's perfect for that. Okay. Won't that be pretty though? Black for the inside of the wallet. Okay. Now let's grab a little bit of hardware. So those are my two side pieces. This is my front. That's my bottom. These are my two pockets. This is the front and back right here, two of those. Side pieces, the bottom, my pockets, and then my accordion. So let's do gunmetal. So here's a gunmetal purse clasp, and then I need gunmetal rivets are over there. And I haven't decided how I'm going to attach my handles. If I'm going to do it just like the pattern, which I probably will. I'm thinking as I'm cleaning. Let's see. You know what? I might use silver because I might add some of my conchos to this bag to give it a little bit of a bling. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a silver purse clasp and my silver hardware is over in the other room. And my conchos. Let's do it. Maybe I'll go live tomorrow and make this up. Because there's not a lot to it. Why don't we do that? I'll release, well, maybe I'll do it Monday. I'll release this video tomorrow, cutting it out. And if anybody wants to make one with me, you can. Just cut it to your, you can get the free pattern, the Barbie leather wallet on my website. I'll link it below. Or you can just make up your own pattern, you know, or follow the directions and tweak it any way you want. Let's do it. Thanks for watching. Be sure and give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.